odd number of, let me write, odd number of zeros, and so there will be 4 combinations, odd number of ones, right? So there will be how many combinations? There will be combinations like odd number of zeros and odd number of ones. Second case will be odd number of zeros and even number of ones. Okay. Third is even number of zeros and odd number of ones. And last case is, the last case will be last case will be last case will be even number of zeros and even number of ones. So last paper, out of this, one question was asked. So there is a very small change, and you will be surprised that these 4 problems can be easily solved with a single diagram, single finite automata. If you have seen or if you have tried to solve this problems, then you may be aware, but if you have not, then so if you get this type of question, so odd number of zeros, odd number of ones, odd number of zeros, even number of ones, even number of zeros, odd number of ones, and even number of zeros and even number of ones. So in that case, you just put 4 states. Okay, so Q0, Q1, Q2, and Q3, right? Now, here, just to draw this, I'll explain you. So it will be a same diagram, only double circles will be changing for all 4 cases. Otherwise, the diagram will be same. Okay, so what I have drawn 4 states and nominated them as Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and there will be a transition for all these states. Now we will start with first case. What is the first case? The first case is the odd number of zeros and odd number of ones. Okay, so where I will get the odd number of zeros and odd number of ones in this diagram. Yes, which will be the final state for which we can get odd number of zeros and odd number of ones. See here, 1 and 0, right? So this is the first case. Odd number of 0 and odd number of 1 means what? You can have 0, 1, okay, or you can have 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Here in this also, you are having odd number of zeros and odd number of ones, right? So now in this case, if I want to find out odd number of zeros and odd number of ones, so here I can see 1, and if I move like this, so this case, see here, like this and like this, I can reach to a Q3 state, right? Now this case is okay. Now let us check for this. So it will be 0, then, sorry, I have made it. It should be opposite side. It's like this. Opposite arrows. This is wrong. So this is correct. Okay. So now 0. What is our case? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, and then 0. And then we want again two ones, 1 and 1. So for this case also it is satisfying. Once again I'm telling you, from Q0 we are moving to 0, 0, then 1, then 0, then 1 and then 1. So for this case also this Q3 is satisfying this case. So I will make this particular state as a final state to satisfy the first case. Is it clear? Now second case will be the, I hope this is clear to you. So next case is odd number of zeros and even number of ones. So odd number of zeros will be what? 0 and even number of ones. So this will be one case. For this case, which state will be suitable? So now see here, we will start from Q0. From this Q0, with 0, we have to move here Q2, no option. Now with 1, we are moving here, and with another one, we are moving here. So for this case, we are finding this Q2 is the suitable state, which could be made final state for this case. Now we need to find out another case. Suppose 0. Now this is one.
Ma'am, your screen got freeze.
What happened?
Your screen got freeze. Repeat once again, first one.
First one, freezed. Okay,
Oh.
okay. 1 minute. See, once again, I'm repeating first case. Odd number of zeros and odd number of ones. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
still
what?
it is freeze. Screen is freeze.
1 minute. Now?
Still it is freeze.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me close and once again open it. Now is it visible?
Yes, now visible.
Okay. So once again I'm repeating. So first case is odd number of zeros and odd number of ones. So in that case, what I have told you, we have to check these two cases, for example. So in this case, we are having odd number of 0 and odd number of 1. Similarly, here also we are having 3 zeros and 3 ones. So how we will check? We want to find out which is the suitable state which can be made final state. So for first case, with 0 we are moving 0, and with 1 we are moving to Q3. For first case, Q3 is okay. For second case, 0, 0, 1, then 0, then 1, and then again 1. Okay. For second case also, this Q3 is suitable state, which is taking you to the conclusion that these two strings are having the odd number of zeros and odd number of ones. That's why here for first case we can make Q3 state as a final state. Clear? All other three states will be non-final state. Now we are moving to second case, that is odd number of zeros and even number of ones. So I have written here two examples, 0, 1, 1. So odd number of zeros and even number of ones. And second example is having again odd number of 0 and 4 ones. So even number of ones. So for this case again we are interested in. So this is the diagram over for first case. Okay, I am not drawing it again. Or otherwise I need to draw then again repetition. So what you need to do is you have to is it freezed again or visible? So for second case we can have the things as what? 0, So now here we will be having 0, 1, 1. So with this 0 I am moving here, with 1 I am moving here, and this 1 with 1 again I'm moving here. So for first case Q2 state is okay. For second case 1 0 1 1. So here 1 with 1 I'm moving here. Then with 0 I'm moving to Q3. Then with 1 I'm moving here to Q2. With 1 again I'm moving to Q3, and then last one, the third one, I'm again moving to Q2. So in second case, that is for second example, the case will be the, which state will be final state? The Q2 state will be final state. See, you have to draw a separate diagram. I will be sharing with you the solutions in which I have drawn all the 4 separate diagrams. But for explanation, so this pink color state is indicator for second case. Okay, this is for the first case. All other remaining states for this, if this is a final state, others will be non-final state. If this is a final state, all others will be non-final state. Now third case will be the even number of zeros and odd number of ones. Okay, so even number of zeros. So even number means we can have the example as what? The example could be, it is even number of zeros, 0 0 1 or 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, these two cases will be for which one? The even number of zeros and odd number of ones. So even number of zeros means 0 0 and then 1. So I can say that this state will be, now we can check for second case also, 0, then 1, then 0, then 1, and then again 1. So again we are getting the Q1 as a final state. So here Q1 will be the case 3 solution. Okay, all others Q0, Q2, Q3 will be non-final states. Only Q1 will be final state. Now only case remaining is last one, even number of zeros and even number of ones. So obviously only this state is remaining. So I will be making now which state? The final state will be my Q0. Okay, so now this is the case for fourth, that is even number of zeros, and so only Q0. So we can check even number of zeros and even number of ones, whether we are reaching to Q0. See here, 0 0 1 1, we are reaching here. If any type of combination will be there, then also we can get same state. See, 0 1 0 1, even number of zeros, even number of ones. 0 1 0 and 1, we are reaching back to. So for these 4 cases, the diagram will be only same. You have to properly identify the final state. So here once again repeating, this light blue color or this light blue color Q3 state is the case 1, odd number of zeros, odd number of ones. Then this pink color state Q2 is for odd number of zeros and even number of ones. Then this Q1 state is for even number of zeros and odd number of ones, and Q0 state is a final state for even number of zeros and even number of ones. So I hope this is clear to you. Is it clear to you? Okay, so now I think I should stop.